Hello children, today we are going to make a butterfly. Remember last time we had a caterpillar, and out of the little caterpillar came a beautiful butterfly. For that we just need an A4 paper. We fold it in half like this. Then you paint all the colors you want on that paper. I just put a little bit here just to show you. See, like this. I take some orange. Then I'm going to take some red paint. And you make the colors the way you like it. After you're finished, you fold the paper. And then you open it up again. And the same thing is on the other side. So you can put as much paint as you want. Here I have another one. This is much bigger. So to have a butterfly, you just need to make a butterfly shape, and you cut it out and add some details. I have some pipe cleaners here, which I can stick with a tape here. Or if you don't have, you can also take some straws. And then you have your butterfly. Good luck! See you next time. Bye.